Okay, what we're testing out here is it's not quite dark, but I want to see about the flares when we do anamorphic on my light over here. And we'll get a little closer. I can kind of see it on the monitor. It looks blue. Seems like it goes all the way across. And we're at 4K 24 frames per second. So we want to do about 2 minutes here. Then I'll move it over to that light. Okay, now let's walk over here to this light here and see if we can get, yep, I see the blue flares on my monitor. So we'll go ahead and de-squeeze this. We're at 4K 24. It's not quite dark. This light here is a little lighter than the one I just had on. I mean, a little brighter than the one that's underneath my awning. Let's go see what that does. Now that one's really bright. So let's see what the flare does on that. See how that is, and then we'll go back out to where we were with this light down here. And we'll get centered a little bit better and see how this flare is. Okay, so we're almost 3 minutes, so this should give us a good test. That was 3 different brightness of lights. So we'll go ahead and stop it here.